Alright, so here's our 3-inch clean out here, and this is again just to the right of the driveway and the little planter area here. And this is a two-way access. In other words, it's going to allow us to push the camera in both directions. So first I'm going to drop in and push back towards the structure, mostly because this clean out's further away from the building than would be standard, so this is a reasonable application here. But I just want to check, make sure I'm seeing all of the main sewer line. Kind of come up here. Now this line's all the modern plastic pipe. You can see here as we come out of the building, we've got as much as maybe an inch and a half of water standing in this pipe. This line is bellied here as it comes out of the structure. This is actually under our walkway here. Now the minimum slope requirement for a sewer line system is 1/4 inch of fall per foot of pipe run, so that everything drains out completely. You know, if it was a 1/2 inch of water or something like that, because of the plastic's smooth inner surface, I probably wouldn't make a big deal, but this pipe's at least half full of water through this 2 to 3 foot section, so it has a much higher potential to collect debris and create blockages. So I'm going to mark this area out. I'm going to suggest a repair here. Now, unfortunately, it might require resloping this entire line. You won't really know until you expose it. Alright, turn the camera around. We're going to push out towards the primary line now. This is all sloping and running through here, but again, if you have to lower the upper end of the pipe, you may have to lower the whole thing a little bit. Making a couple of turns to kind of jog over to where it intersects with the primary line, and then as we drop down into the primary line right here, you see we're kind of turning back and then making a drop downward, not really through a standard fitting that I can see. It's a funky connection no matter what, so. And this is the area where everything's dropped down. You can see the offset of that other section of pipe there. This is the same area we looked at and recommended repair on the original, or the first video as we pushed through the primary line. So basically at this point, I would suggest or recommend resloping this secondary line so that it's going to drain normally and not have those big bellies, and then the tie-in here at the primary line is done some standardly and will also need to be repaired. So you kind of add all of that up. It's probably just a good idea to go ahead and pick it up and just reslope it all the way out to this connection, make a new connection so that it's done properly. You're looking at about 30 feet of pipe or so. That would most likely be really the only way to get this done properly. Alright, so with that, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video portion of the examination. I will be including these videos in my written report, which will describe the final findings and recommendations for today's examination, including the maintenance recommendations, such as the cleaning of the pipe. We also do recommend that main sewer lines should be examined after any significant seismic activity, and that main sewer lines should be examined annually to monitor for changing conditions in the system. This is Mark Harrison with Sewer Line Check Professionals. Thank you very much, and have a pleasant day. Yeah.